Joe Beermaster here. I'm going to show you how to jump a car. This battery is dead on this car, and we're going to jump it from this one. So you always want to follow manufacturer instructions because this is dangerous. But this is the basics. You want to use the red cable for positive. If you look, you'll see a little cross there. That's positive. A little negative. So you go positive to negative.
Black is negative.
Now you go back to the other car. We're going to put the red positive on positive. If you're not sure which one's positive, don't do it. Do not do it. This one has a little negative on this cable. Usually the red line is positive, so we're going to go with that. These batteries could explode if you do it wrong. So always follow manufacturer instructions. You could actually put this on a piece of metal, the black. So stand back, start it up. Alright, now you want to try to start this one. And there you go. We got a happy
Beermaster.
And that's how it's done. Joe Beermaster. Now, that's what happens when you touch them together, it'll spark. And that was not on purpose, that was accidental. So you definitely do not want to do that. I think we caught that on film.
Yeah.
And the question is, why was the battery dead? It's usually one of three things. The battery's old, the alternator's old, and that needs to be replaced, or you have a draw or something was left on. So the way to tell if it's the alternator is at this point you could disconnect the battery, and if it shuts down, it's usually the alternator or generator, which is right down there. Otherwise, it's usually the battery. So that's what you do, Joe Beermaster. Thanks for watching.